Many people believe that training a cat is an impossible feat, often associating the idea of cat training solely with the well-known obedience of dogs. However, contrary to popular belief, it is indeed possible to train a cat. Cats possess unique behaviors, instincts, and personalities that require a different approach to training compared to their canine counterparts. While cats may not exhibit the same eager-to-please attitude as dogs, they are intelligent and capable of learning. By understanding their natural tendencies, utilizing positive reinforcement techniques, and respecting their individuality, it is possible to establish a training routine that can teach cats to respond to commands, perform tricks, and exhibit desired behaviors. With patience, consistency, and an appreciation for their independent nature, cat training can become a rewarding and enriching experience for both the feline and their human companions. Yes, it is indeed possible to train a cat, although it is important to understand that training a cat differs from training a dog. Cats are independent and have their own unique behaviors and instincts. While they may not be as eager to please as dogs, they are capable of learning and responding to training methods that are tailored to their natural tendencies. Here are some key points to consider when training a cat. Positive reinforcement. Cats respond well to positive reinforcement techniques. This involves rewarding desired behaviors with treats, praise, or playtime. It is important to avoid punishment or negative reinforcement as it can lead to fear or anxiety in cats and hinder the training process. Clicker training. Clicker training is a technique often used for cats. It involves associating the sound of a clicker with a reward. By using the clicker to mark desired behaviors and following it with a treat or praise, cats can learn to associate the sound with positive outcomes and repeat the behavior. Lure and reward. Cats can be trained using lures and rewards. This involves using a treat or a toy to guide the cat into performing a desired behavior, such as sitting or jumping on a designated area. The behavior is then reinforced with a reward, creating a positive association. Target training. Target training involves teaching a cat to touch or follow a specific target, such as a stick or a hand. This can be useful for teaching cats to come when called, jump through hoops, or perform agility exercises. By gradually shaping the behavior and rewarding successful responses, cats can learn to follow the target and perform desired actions. Consistency and patience. Training a cat requires consistency and patience. Short, frequent training sessions are more effective than long, intense ones. Cats may need time to understand and master new behaviors, so it is important to be patient and provide positive reinforcement throughout the process. Cat-specific behaviors. It is important to understand and respect a cat's natural instincts and behaviors. Cats have independent and territorial natures, so some behaviors, such as scratching or climbing, are essential for their well-being. Instead of trying to eliminate these behaviors, it is more effective to redirect them to appropriate objects, such as scratching posts or cat trees. Targeted training goals. When training a cat, it is helpful to set specific, achievable goals. Focus on one behavior at a time and gradually progress to more complex tasks. For example, you can start with teaching a cat to sit on command before moving on to other commands or tricks. It is important to note that not all cats will respond to training in the same way. Each cat has its own personality and preferences. Some cats may be more eager to participate in training sessions, while others may be more independent or less motivated by treats. Understanding and respecting your cat's individuality is key to successful training. Here are some strategies commonly used to train pet cats. Basic obedience commands. Cats can be trained to respond to basic commands such as sit, stay, and come. Using positive reinforcement techniques like treats or clicker training, you can gradually teach your cat to associate these commands with specific behaviors. Keep training sessions short, frequent, and engaging to maintain your cat's interest and focus. Litter box training. Proper litter box training is crucial for cats, especially when bringing home a new kitten. Show them the location of the litter box, gently place them in it after meals or naps, and praise them when they use it correctly. Consistency is key, and it's important to keep the litter box clean to encourage good habits. Leash training. Some cats can be leash trained to safely explore the outdoors under supervision. Start by introducing your cat to a harness gradually, allowing them to get comfortable wearing it indoors. Once your cat is comfortable with the harness, attach a lightweight leash and practice walking indoors before gradually transitioning to outdoor environments. Always prioritize your cat's safety and be mindful of their comfort level. Clicker training and tricks. Clicker training, using a clicker device to mark desired behaviors, can be effective in training cats. You can teach them various tricks like giving a high five, rolling over, or jumping through hoops. Break down the behavior into smaller steps, reward each successful attempt, and gradually shape the behavior over time. Scratching post training. Cats have a natural instinct to scratch, which helps them maintain healthy claws and mark their territory. Train your cat to use a scratching post by placing it in an accessible and appealing location. Encourage them to use the post by gently guiding their paws and rewarding them with treats or praise when they scratch it. Avoid punishing or declawing your cat, as it can cause stress and behavioral problems. Discouraging undesirable behaviors. If your cat exhibits unwanted behaviors like scratching furniture or jumping on counters, it's important to redirect their behavior rather than punishing them. Provide alternative objects for scratching, such as scratching posts, and use deterrents like double-sided tape or citrus scents to discourage unwanted jumping. Positive reinforcement for good behavior will help reinforce desirable habits. Enrichment and interactive toys. Engaging your cat's mind and providing environmental enrichment is crucial for their well-being. Use interactive toys, treat puzzles, and food dispensing toys to stimulate their natural hunting instincts. This can help prevent boredom, destructive behavior, and excessive energy. Consistency and patience. Cats may take time to learn and respond to training. It's important to be patient, consistent, and use positive reinforcement consistently. Avoid scolding or using force, as it can create fear or stress. Training should be a positive and enjoyable experience for both you and your cat. Training your pet cat is an ongoing process that requires time, effort, and a deep understanding of feline behavior. By using positive reinforcement techniques, being patient and consistent, and tailoring training methods to your cat's needs, you can establish a strong bond and create a harmonious relationship with your furry companion. In conclusion, while cats may not be as easily trainable as dogs, they can still learn and respond to positive reinforcement techniques. Training a cat requires patience, consistency, and an understanding of the natural instincts and behaviors. With time, effort, and the use of appropriate training methods, you can teach your cat new behaviors and strengthen the bond between you and your feline companion.